Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your MetroPCS SIM card with a complete guide, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Purchase a MetroPCS SIM card from an authorized retailer, MetroPCS store, or order one online from the MetroPCS website. Step 2. Turn off your mobile device and locate the SIM card slot, which is typically on the side or back of the phone. Step 3. Use the provided SIM ejection tool or a paperclip to open the SIM tray carefully. Step 4. Place your MetroPCS SIM card into the tray with the gold chip facing downward, ensuring it fits snugly. Step 5. Reinsert the SIM tray into your phone by pushing it gently until it clicks securely into place. Step 6. Power on your phone and wait for the device to recognize the new SIM card. Step 7. Call MetroPCS customer service at 1-888-863-8768 or visit the MetroPCS website to activate your SIM card. Step 8. Provide your SIM card number, phone number, and personal information as requested by the activation system or representative. After activation is complete, restart your device to ensure all services are working, including calls, texts, and mobile data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.